And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to go ahead and try the faux fur, whatever you want to call it. The fake fur headband that I've been seeing trending all on Pinterest and Instagram. So I got the fabric yesterday from Joann's, and that's in my Vlogmas Day 1 video that's already up. So definitely go and check it out because I actually think I put the price in there. I want to say it was $4, but oh well. Pretty much I just made the headband. I also made a black one too. I did put a little give into it. I did put, some elastic to them, but the fabric is long enough to go all the way around your head. But I just wanted to go ahead and show a little quick tutorial of how I did this because they are super trendy and they are so cute and they add like a whole pop to your outfit. Even if you're not going nowhere, if you were just taking pictures, this would just be like, ew, ew. So if you want to go ahead and see how I did this, then go ahead and keep watching to the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, thumbs this video up, ring the bell for the notification so you know when I'm posting a new video. So hey guys, so the first thing that I did was I measured my forehead. I wanted to go ahead and measure and see how thick I would want the headband. I wanted it to be the point where you could see my eyebrows, but also see like maybe the tip top of my head pretty much. So I went and I measured, I think it was like 3 or 4 inches. I'm really not sure. But you can do the same for you because, everybody's foreheads aren't the same size. So you can go ahead and do that. After I did that, I just went in, I cut it down the middle. Now, as you can see, or as you guys may know, I have a black comforter set, and this is a white fur like piece of fabric. So as you might can tell, I made a huge mess all on my bed. So what I'm saying is, don't do this on your bed. You might want to go outside and cut that. I did it when I did the black one because the white one, it was everywhere. As you can tell, it was literally everywhere. I did have a lint roller, so I was able to just go ahead and lint roll it up. As you can tell in the next clip, it's going to be like completely clean. See, look. So I did clean it up. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your 2 pieces of fabric, or whatever you want to call it, and you're just going to lay them in the direction that they are going, and then you're going to take them and you're going to want to you're going to want to glue it to where like the fur is going in the same direction, and you're going to want to glue it to where you can't really see it so that it won't look like overlapping, so it's just like a continuous thing of fabric. And then what you're going to do, you're going to take your hot glue gun, and just be careful because mine was super duper hot. So just going to put a little line of glue on there. You can't really see it because the fabric was white, so it was throwing my camera off. But anyways, you're just going to take that and you're just going to glue them together, and make sure that you don't glue any fabric, or not fabric, any fur, anything on there. And then you're just going to press firmly just to make sure they they're together right. And just be careful because the hot glue can bleed through or get on your skin, and it can hurt. People be acting like it doesn't hurt, but it does. So there you have one continuous strip of fabric. So I like to use the same color elastic as the same color of the fabric. So if you're using white fur, use white elastic, or you're using black fur, use black elastic. It just helps so that it makes it look more, not professional, but neater. Because if you're using different colors, it's just going to look a little tacky. You're not really going to see the elastic, but in case that you do, because, maybe somebody has a larger head, maybe, you just want to make sure that it does look has the same colors and everything like that. So then you're just going to take your little itty bitty pieces of fabric that you cut. Make sure they're evenly cut as possible. And then you're just going to glue those. It doesn't matter what end you glue them to. You're just going to glue them on each end. Not each end. You're going to glue them on one end of the fabric, faux fur, whatever you want to call it. And then you're going to take your hot glue gun and just glue those down. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're really not going to see them. They're just there to give the headband a little extra give, so that it will, kind of be tight on your head, or, things like that. So then you're just going to take each of those, and you're going to apply some hot glue to each of those, and you're just going to glue those on. Just a little recap, the things you're going to need for this video is hot glue gun, scissors, elastic, a measuring tape, and the little faux fur things. I got mine from Joann's fabric store, but I know Michael's has them as well. And you're just going to glue each of those on to your little headband. And just make sure you have enough glue for your hot glue gun. And the only thing about I like using hot glue guns because not everyone knows how to sew, so it's kind of easy to explain to someone. You just, hot glue it. So then you're just going to glue them to each other. Now, right here, you can still kind of see it, but you're going to want to glue your fur to where you can't really see the elastic, to where it's overlapping the elastic. Don't worry, it's still going to, it's still going to stretch and it's still going to have give on your head. And then you're just going to put the glue on those, and then you're just going to glue them together. And always just try it on, and if it's not tight enough, it's hot glue, so you can just peel it off and redo it. It's not hard at all. That's another thing I like about it. If you mess up or you don't like it, you can just peel it off and try all over again. So this is me trying to figure out how to get them glued on. As you can see, I still left a little elastic. Don't do that. I ended up going back and changing that and putting more, glue down. But as you can see, it looks like one of those furry headbands. I'm really thinking about doing the boots as well. So that's probably going to be my next project. So definitely stay tuned. I feel like the boots would be a lot easier than the headband. I feel like I'd just be gluing it to a pair of boots. So now we're on to the black one. And we're going to literally do the exact same thing to the black one. I just went outside and I cut my black one just so that I wouldn't have that same mess all over again. So now that you have your two pieces of black, furry, whatever. Now the black one wasn't as fluffy as the white one was to me. I really prefer the white one over the black one. But a lot of people like the black one, so I wanted to do both. So you're just going to do the exact same process of taking your glue, putting it down, and then you're just going to take your... you're just going to take that and you're just going to glue that down. And then you're going to take your elastic and do the exact same thing where you just cut all your little even pieces of elastic. And you're just going to cut all those and then you're going to glue those down. Now, these really are a game changer when it comes to your outfit. Like, you can have like a simple outfit and then it's just like throw that thing on and just like bam, everybody's looking at you. That's why I really want to do the headband and the boots. I have a whole outfit in mind, so definitely thinking about doing that. That's probably going to be what I do, because I think it's just going to look so cute. So you're just going to do the exact same thing. You're just going to take your glue and you're going to just apply your pieces of elastic to the edge of your headband, soon to be headband, however. All right, and while I was doing that, guys, don't forget to subscribe and follow all my social medias. I have them down there listed below. I have my Facebook and my Snapchat and my Instagram. You can't really see my Snapchat, but it's my name with 3 A's on the end, so it's EULANDAAA. And then you got Life as Indie, which is my Instagram. And then you have my full name on Facebook, which is Yu-landa Johnson. So don't forget to go up there, subscribe to me, add me, follow me, friend me, whatever, on there. So once you have that, like I was saying, the black one wasn't as fluffy as the white one was. I did have to tease it up a bit. Now you're just going to glue your ends together. On this one, I just put the glue on the actual headband part, and then I just took the pieces of the elastic and put those on. I felt like that way was a little easier. It was a lot more simpler. And then I just pushed the fur back so I didn't get any, fur on there. And then I just went ahead and I just attached the two pieces. And there you have it. You got your little headband. And having the elastic in it really, really does help. Now, I just flipped it inside out because I wanted to make sure that I had it and I had enough glue. So I did want to go back and, you see how it was so easy to peel off? I did want to go back and just add some more glue onto there. And so that's what I did. So now I'm just going back on and adding some more glue, just to make sure that it's all firm. Now, these shouldn't pop or whatever or anything like that because they're literally just headbands. So you literally should just be wearing it on your head. It shouldn't just pop off your head or anything like that. I know it didn't pop off my head. So, yeah. And there you have it. You got your two headbands. And like I said, I did have to tease it out a bit. It just wasn't as fluffy as the other one was. So definitely just do that. And there you go. You got your two headbands. So you got your black one and you got your white one. I really, really prefer the white one, of course, as you can tell. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and everything like that.